In exercise 1.1, third question is, at Srinagar, temperature was 5 degrees Celsius and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. It means temperature on Monday was temperature on Monday temperature on Monday was negative 5 degrees Celsius. Now they need to drop by 2 degrees Celsius, means it decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. We know if it is decreased, we have to subtract 2. So temperature on Tuesday is equal to negative 5 dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So negative 5, negative 2, this is equal to negative 7 degrees Celsius. Both are having same sign, so we have to add the integers and give the sign. So you have to add the magnitude and give the sign, that is 5 plus 2 is 7 and sign is negative. Then on Wednesday it rose. Please understand, rose means increased. On Wednesday the temperature increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Wednesday is equal to, it increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So this is equal to, they are having opposite sign, we have to subtract and give the sign of bigger magnitude integer. So this is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3 and bigger magnitude integer is negative. So give the answer is negative 3. In exercise 1.1, fourth question is, a plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level. So if this is the sea level, if plane is here, then this height is 5000 meters. So a plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine. So when it was flying at a certain point, submarine means which is under the water. The submarine was exactly floating. Plane was exactly floating above the submarine. So submarine was just below the plane, and the depth of the submarine is 1200, means this distance is 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So what is the vertical distance between them? So we asked what is the vertical distance. So what is given? Height of the plane. Height of plane above sea level. Above sea level is equal to 5000 meters, and the depth of submarine. So depth of submarine is equal to, since it is depth, we are taking a negative integer, that is minus 1200 meters. Now in order to find the vertical distance, so vertical distance between them is equal to 5000 minus 1200 meters, that is equal to 6200 meters. Please note, you can, by just doing addition also you can find the answer. If you add 5000 to 1200, you will get the total distance between them, that is 6200 meters. Fifth question, Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of the amount from the account is represented by negative integer. So amount withdrawn, solution is amount deposited is equal to 2000 rupees. Then amount withdrawn is equal to 1642 rupees. If withdrawal of amount from account is represented by negative integer, so if it is represented by negative integers, means it is represented by negative 1642 rupees, then how will you represent the amount deposited? So amount deposited will be represented by positive integer. Amount deposited will be represented by positive integer. Find the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. So amount balance is equal to 2000 minus 1642. So this is equal to 0 minus 2 is 8 if borrowed, then again 5, this will be 5, again return borrow, you will get 3 rupees, 358 rupees. In exercise 1.16 question is, Rita goes 20 km towards east from point A. So there exists certain point A, and from this point Rita moves towards the east. If this is east, she moves towards the east 20 kilometers. See, again I am reading. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from point A. This is point A, and from here she goes to 20 kilometers towards the east. From to point B. Now this point is point B. She goes to point B, which is 20 kilometers towards east. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west. Means again, she moves backside 30 kilometers. So she moves from B to A side, that is west, by 30 kilometers. Understand? If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, so distance towards east is represented by positive integer. Distance towards east is equal to positive 20 kilometers. Is represented by a positive integer. Then how will you represent the distance traveled towards east? So distance traveled towards east will be distance traveled towards west will be represented by negative integer, and this is equal to negative 30. So last question is, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? So from A, if this is if initial point, if you take 0, then it will be, so final position will be represented by final position of Rita is equal to 20 plus negative 30, that is equal to negative 10 kilometers. So Rita's final position from A will be represented by negative 10 kilometers.